So guys, now we're gonna do another example. So if we check, actually we have exactly the same initial conditions, which are this I starting at 0 and sum starting at 0. Okay, so the next step is to check our condition that says sum is more than 10, and well, sum is actually more than 10. So okay, good. So we know that I starts at 0 and sum starts at 0. So we're incrementing I by 1. So we're incrementing it by 1. That means that this is going to be 1. And to the sum, I'm subtracting by I. So whatever the value I has, it's going to be subtracted. So I have 0 minus 1. That would be minus 1. Okay? So now, I'm just going to print it, and then we're going to see something like this, right? So next iteration, the condition is still valid. I equals 2, but now minus 1 minus 2, that's going to be minus 3. The next one, this is going to be 3 minus, it's going to be minus 3 minus 3. That would be minus 6. Then it's going to be 4, minus 10, and so on, okay? So if you check, this condition is always going to be valid. So let me write it down here. It is always valid. So this means we are on an infinite loop. Let me write it down with some other color. Infinite loop. Okay, so be careful. We don't want this. We want to avoid this, okay? We want to avoid this. If this happens, that means death for us. Of course, there are cases whenever you need it, but not for now, okay? For now on, we need to be very careful and try to avoid it. So let me write here, avoid it. Okay, let me write down a couple more lines here, just for you to know how this is never gonna stop being valid. And our loop is always gonna be, well, this value of sum is always gonna be smaller. And well, we're never gonna finish this this loop, okay? So this goes on all the way down there, and this goes all the way around there. So be very careful, guys, okay? So careful, caution. I'm gonna write it here.